Hey guys, doing another video on another lovely Samsung product of mine. Here's the model number for this little cream puff. And the issue that we're having here, which seems to be quite common, is with this little slice of heaven. The ice machine stops making ice. Well, in this case, if we look in here, when we look up, it's all frozen. So the only way to take care of this is a hair dryer and start chipping. And we got to get rid of it all. And it's a pretty common issue apparently with these refrigerators with the ice machine inside the actual fridge, because warmer air seems to be getting up through either this flap or vent down in here or through the unit, and Samsung's well aware of it. They have a couple of kits, but there's a few other YouTubers out there that I watch the videos and still having issues even after the fact. So I just kind of embrace the fact that I'm just going to have to deal with this issue, and every so often, every month or so, I'm going to have to come in here and just chip away, which is kind of ridiculous because you spend a lot of money on these fridges, and this is what you deal with. So I'm going to get chipping away, use a hair dryer, and then I'll show you the end result. So here's where we are. I'm not going to make this too long because I'm sure this is a really annoying sound, but I'll try to fast forward through this, give you an idea. Get your hair dryer up there, get your chisel out, and get to work. Product. Got in here, cleaned it all out, chipped away the ice with a hair dryer, dried it all out, and we'll be good for about another month till it does it again. And also sometimes you'll hear a fan rattling against the ice in the back, and that's another good way to know that you need to get in there and chip away again, because that'll eventually stop the fan from spinning. So if you hear it, odds are this is what it is. So thanks.